Which animal's milk is believed to help in the treatment of dengue? A. Cow. B. Buffalo. C. Goat. D. Camel. Correct answer is C. Goat. After death, within how many hours should the eyes be transplanted? A. 2 hours. B. 6 hours. C. 12 hours. D. 24 hours. Correct answer is B. 6 hours. How long does the human brain remain alive after death? A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 15 minutes. D. 30 minutes. Correct answer is B. 10 minutes. In which country are blue-colored bananas found? A. Brazil. B. Indonesia. C. India. D. Australia. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Which animal never wakes up once it falls asleep? A. Dog. B. Ant. C. Snake. D. Bat. Correct answer is B. Ant. What was the world's first Android phone? A. iPhone 3G. B. Samsung Galaxy S. C. HTC T-Mobile G1. D. Nokia Lumia. Correct answer is C. HTC T-Mobile G8. In which form will Lord Vishnu incarnate in Kali Yuga? A. Varaha. B. Narsimha. C. Rama. D. Kalki. Correct answer is D. Kalki. What is the largest bank in India? A. SBI. B. PNB. C. RBI. D. HDFC Bank. Correct answer is C. RBI. How long can human bones remain preserved after death? A. 1 year. B. 3 years. C. 5 years. D. 10 years. Correct answer is C. 5 years. Which is the largest country in the world by area? A. Canada. B. China. C. Russia. D. USA. Correct answer is C. Russia. What was the first animal to ever be cloned? A. Dog. B. Sheep. C. Cat. D. Rabbit. Correct answer is B. Sheep. What is an 8-sided shape called? A. Hexagon. B. Heptagon. C. Octagon. D. Nonagon. Correct answer is C. Octagon. In which country is a government job given for planting 10 trees? A. India. B. Philippines. C. Brazil. D. China. Correct answer is B. Philippines. Which animal can detect an earthquake before it occurs? A. Dog. B. Fish. C. Elephant. D. Cat. Correct answer is B. Fish. Which is the only country in the world where there are no trees? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. UAE. D. Kuwait. Correct answer is B. Qatar. In which country is photography considered a crime? A. North Korea. B. Iran. C. Turkmenistan. D. Afghanistan. Correct answer is C. Turkmenistan. How much does it cost to build an Indian railway engine? A. 10 crore rupees, B. 15 crore rupees, C. 20 crore rupees, D. 25 crore rupee. Correct answer is C. 20 crore rupee. Where was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar born? A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. In which country is the white elephant found? A. India, B. Thailand, C. Australia, D. Brazil. Correct answer is B. Thailand. What disease can occur if you drink water while eating food? A. Diabetes, B. Obesity, C. Indigestion, D. High BP. Correct answer is C. Indigestion.